Hey guys, Alex here, I'm Joe.
I'm Joe. How's it going? We just wanted to make a video saying whenever you want to comment.
Wait, fact of the day. If you rub a guy on the back, it makes him horny.
Alright, interesting. Anyway, we just wanted to make a really quick video saying...
Do you know how I learnt that?
I don't really care how you learned that. We should make a really quick video saying whenever you comment like some kind of challenge that we can do or something like that. Nothing that's going to like hurt us or anything. Nothing like jump out a window onto a trampoline or anything like that, because we're not do that. Because we're not stupid. We're just like stuff like...
See who's got the biggest head.
I'm not very sad.
Okay, Uncle Big Chin.
So yeah, thanks.
No, we're just gonna say we're gonna do some more.
I've got one. 1 minute. You just entertain.
No, right. What we're gonna do is we're gonna make some now, and I don't know where he's going. Goes guy.
Go on. Yeah, boy. Are you alright? That was a good one. I enjoyed that. You cool? You crying? Lol. Alright, that's our first challenge of the day.
I'm gonna hit you now.
No.
Yes, I do.
Yeah.
I get to hit you. You just hit me. You just hit me on the trampoline as well.
Yeah, but we were doing MMA then, so...
Yeah, but you just hit me then. I get to hit you now.
I don't find that fair.
Free punch. I'm
No,
not
because
even
mine
hard.
wasn't that hard.
Yes, it was. You just ran in. You go, smash. Oh, fuck no.
Don't use a
Let me hit you.
Please don't use that kind of language around me. It's quite offensive.
Let me fucking hit you once. I'll go like that.
I know you won't. But...
I'll go right. Only where you are, though.
Let me move over a bit so I don't fall into that. Don't knock me out though.
I'm good. Close your eyes.
I'm going to close my eyes.
Oh, I missed! No, I'm doing that again. I hit you on the nose. No.
My tongue's bleeding. Oh, fucking hell.
Prove it. Let me do that again.
No,
that one fucking failed.
No, I bit my fucking tongue.
No, man.
You already did it. I bit my tongue. That's your problem for doing it weak. That's it. And that's his problem. That's not my problem. That's his problem. Take the glove off. Come on. Take the glove off. Take the glove off.
No, I won't use it, okay? I'm keeping it on. Because I look hard with it.
No, you don't. Take the glove off. It's not even on the camera. Take the glove off.
Oh, my balls.
Yeah, I suggest you take it off, man. Alright. Okay, we're even. It was your problem that you didn't punch me as hard. So I saw that coming. I blatantly saw that coming. Okay, right, what else should we do?
Oh, shit, I missed.
What else should we do? Come on, what else should we do? You got any cinnamon?
No.
I'm sure.
I'm not doing that.
Why not? Oh, have you got any hot chocolate? Have you got any powder for, hot chocolate powder? Right. Have you got any powder? Wait, have you got any curry sauce? You're fucking boring. Checking your cupboards in there.
What the fuck?
Okay, no, I'm checking your cupboards now.
No, what the fuck? No.
Come on, what?
Well, I'm in this video.
Alright, buy a piece. I hear a word of that. Okay. Alright, okay, then go get the curry powder. We'll go get the curry powder. Peace. I'm joking, not peace. I'm not leaving. Go on then, go.
Fine.
He's a knobhead. Go.
No.
Div. So, you may think me and Alex are best friends. We're not. We're good friends. We're not best friends. This only happened because we're in the same class for some things, and we decided to make a Vine, and it happened to be really good. So, yeah, that's the only reason. Oh, my face, I hit it on the fucking laptop, you prick. Oh. Oh. Seriously, I hit it right on the side of the laptop.
Alright, peace guys.
Peace.